Also, I've cut the cage ladder so the people can walk onto the ladder or step onto the ladder, and the same to the other one, so they can hop up the ladder and hop out. And also you can see the worker hopping out of the cage ladder. And up this end is a worker climbing up. Okay, the next part for the ore dock is I'm going to make a walkway underneath the whole ore dock. Now the way I'm doing is I'm just using styrene sheet, and I'm going to actually cut it with a knife just to make it look like it's a wooden deck. So the way I'm going to do it is scribe into the plastic freehand. And I don't have to be exact on how I cut it. It's gonna just look like timber. And then I will paint it. Now I'm not putting a lot of pressure on, otherwise I'm going to cut right through the plastic styrene. Okay, I've cut all my styrene strips into timber looking strips, I hope. So I'll show you the next part. Okay, the next step is now putting a styrene strip, or my bearer, on my styrene. So I'll go ahead and put it on. Okay, all the timber has been glued down now, and all on the styrene strips. So what we're going to do now is paint it. Okay, there's me painted timber walkway, and I've painted it dark yellow, Tamiya paint. But now I'm going to put powder on it now to darken it up, and I'm going to use grimy black. And dark earth. So I'm going to put the dark earth on first. And I sort of just want to get it into the grooves mainly. Okay, so that's all the dark earth. So now I'm going to put the black, or the grimy black on. Now the grimy black will really make it look like it's been down for years. Okay, and that's the end of the black. So I'll go ahead and finish the others. Okay, all the walkways are now finished. All I've got to do is spray it with a matte spray, and then I'll put it on. I've just glued the wooden rail on now, and it goes right down the end of the dock. Now I didn't put a rail on the walkway, so if someone falls off, they fall off. And just a view looking from one end to the other end. Okay, the next job on the old dock is to do my ladders or steps to get off from the top deck. So I need to get from this point to this point and then to the bottom. So people from the bottom can come up to this walkway, then back up to the top. So I brought a couple of packs of the modern fire escape. I'm going to see if I can actually build it to suit. So these are all the parts that I've got to cut off and glue. And that's the instructions on how to do it. Okay, the start of the stairs, that's as much as I've done so far, and she'll go at this stage like that, then hopefully join up to here. But anyway, I'll carry on. More progress on the fire escape. Okay, progress continues. I'm nearly to the bottom. More progress on the fire escape. So all I've got to do now is paint it, and then I can put it up. Okay, the fire escape is now finished and painted. All I've got to do is put some supports up just to hold it up properly. Okay, the next part on the fire escape is to support it. Now, I found some old H-beams and they actually look alright. So I've glued the footings on that I had as spares. So for instance, this one will go underneath the cage, where this one will go at the back to hold up or to support the platforms. So I'll go paint them and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I've put the supports in now, one there and the big tall one. So that part's now finished.